Hi guys, this is my EDC for normal day carry, and I got some backlight, so I'm taking my flashlight, the one that I carry every day normally, the HK flashlight from Benchmade HK. So let's start from left to right. Over here we just got a simple pen, some chapstick, a Zippo. You all know that what a Zippo is. I can take it for you. Only one hand. You see, just a normal Zippo, like that. My little Mac fuse. Got some awesome tools on it. Carbon steel plate, and yeah, two screwdrivers, flathead, lanyard hole, the can opener, Phillips screw driver, and scissors, and the pliers, of course. So that is that one. That's the leather fuse. I will take it like that. Over here we got the main blade. It's the buck skinner in the sheath. So you will see. Very, very nice knife. Very lightweight, but nice edge on it, and not that much hard work on it yet, but it will come. So very nice knife, absolutely. With the nylon sheath, I don't like it because it's got the strap over here. Every time you put the knife in, the edge is coming to the on the strap, and it's cutting. You see, it's getting used. You know. Over here we got the wallet, just a simple wallet with just some passes in it. My ID, you can see it because I do like it when not everybody has to see who I am. Over here we got some McDonald's coupons and some tickets from parties, and you know. I also carry in it. Over here it is. I'm making a big mess of it, but over here I carry. Oh, let me get it. Yeah, like that. One moment. The Victorinos. I don't know what kind of model this is, but it's got the main blade on it, like that. See, main blade, and a smaller backup blade. But on when I want to carry lighter day, or you know, I will take this one in my front right pocket, and yeah, I will take this one, and on a light carry day, or when I go to my girlfriend or something, you know. So that's that. Let's put that over here so you can see. Over here we got some chapstick. The leather case for my phone. You can't see my phone right now, but I got the Samsung Xperia X10. I'm filming with my phone right now, so that's why you can't see it. But a really nice case from, I don't know if you can catch that. stand on there. That's the brand. Real nice leather on the inside. It's soft, as you can see, and it's kind of funny. Got some blood inside. I was fell on my bike, drunk too much, and took my phone. You see? Yeah. But that's that one. And I'm missing something. Let me show you. Over here, I've got the box of cigarettes that I carry every day. And when I want to carry low, but want to get some high duty, utility blade, I will carry this one. The Renault, if you can catch that. No. The Renault blade. I don't know. I didn't know the brand before, but it has been an awesome knife. Pretty hard work on it. Nice camo. These, you see. So that's that. Hope you enjoyed the video, and take care. Bye.